Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to learn all computer shortcut from our keyboard. So you can just by using your keyboard do everything. You don't need any mouse. So let's start with the Windows shortcut. If you press Windows plus you can see this kind of menu will pop up. This is called Action Center in Windows 11. And here you have many things like you have settings, you have widgets, you have your notifications. And if you go down, you have your quick settings. Here you have Bluetooth, you have Wi-Fi, you have focus mode, you have dark mode. Okay, so everything you can just open it directly from here. For example, you want to turn off your Bluetooth, just click on it, or you want to turn on your focus mode, just click on it. It will turn on. Next one, Windows plus B. This will actually open up your bookmarks folder. So you can see this is the bookmark folder. Next one, Windows plus C. If you press this one, you can see this is the widgets menu. If you don't see it, you have to enable it from settings. Next one, Windows plus D. This one will actually minimize all the window and you will be left with only desktop. And if you press Windows plus F3, this will actually maximize everything. And if you press Windows plus Tab, you can see this kind of screen will pop up. This is called Task View in Windows. And in here, you can see all your virtual desktops. So if you have multiple virtual desktops, you can see them over here. And you can also create new virtual desktop by clicking on this plus button, and you can remove it by clicking on this minus button. And if you click on this arrow, you can see all your apps that are running in background. For example, if you click on Calculator, you can see it was running in background. Next one, Windows plus L. If you press this one, it will lock your PC. Now, it will ask for password. Next one, Windows plus M. This one will actually minimize all the window. If you press Windows plus Shift plus L, it will lock your PC and it will also show you the login screen. Next one, Windows plus N. This one will actually open up your notifications. So you can see all your notifications will pop up. Next one, Windows plus O. This one will open up your order by default. So if you have multiple monitors, you can switch between them by pressing Windows plus P. This one will open up your project. So you can see all your projects in here. Next one, Windows plus R. This one will open up your run box. So you can just type anything over here and you can search for anything. For example, if you want to open File Explorer, you can just type Explorer, X, and then press Enter, and it will open up. Next one, Windows plus S. This one will open up your search bar. So whenever you press this one, you can see this bar will pop up and you can just search for anything. Next one, Windows plus T. This one will actually open up Task Manager. Next one, Windows plus V. This one will open up your virtual desktops. So you can see all your virtual desktops over here. And if you click on this one, you can add a new virtual desktop. Next one, Windows plus X. This one will open up this kind of quick menu. So you can see in here you have your settings, you have Windows PowerShell as administrator, you have Windows Terminal as administrator, you have Command Prompt as administrator. So everything you can open it directly from here. Next one, Windows plus Y. This one will open up your clipboard history. So you can see all your copied items will be shown over here. Let's move on to the next one, which is Alt plus Tab. If you press this one, you can see this kind of screen will pop up. This is called task switching in Windows. And in here, you can see all the apps that are running in foreground. So you can just switch between them by pressing Tab key, or you can use your arrow keys to switch between them, and you can also close them by clicking on this close button. Next one, Alt plus F4. This one will close your active window. Next one, Alt plus space. This one will open up the system menu of the active window. So you can see in here you have move, you have resize, you have shake, you have minimize, you have maximize, you have close. So everything you can use from here. Next one, Ctrl plus A. If you are inside a form or a text box, you can just press Ctrl plus A to select everything. Next one, Ctrl plus B. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus B to add a bookmark. Next one, Ctrl plus C. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus C to clear the cache. Next one, Ctrl plus D. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus D to delete the cookie. Next one, Ctrl plus F. This one will actually open up the find box. So you can just find anything. For example, you want to find apple, you can just type apple and you can find it. And if you want to find again, you can just press F3 to open up the find box again. Next one, Ctrl plus G. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus G to go back. Next one, Ctrl plus H. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus H to open up the history. Next one, Ctrl plus I. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus I to open up the favorites. Next one, Ctrl plus J. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus J to open up the downloads. Next one, Ctrl plus K. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus K to open up the address bar. Next one, Ctrl plus L. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus L to open up the location. Next one, Ctrl plus M. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus M to add a bookmark. Next one, Ctrl plus N. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus N to open up a new tab. Next one, Ctrl plus O. This one will actually open up the open box. So you can just open any file by selecting it. Next one, Ctrl plus P. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus P to open up the address bar. Next one, Ctrl plus Q. This one will actually quit the active app. Next one, Ctrl plus R. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus R to refresh the page. Next one, Ctrl plus S. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus S to save the page. Next one, Ctrl plus D. This one will actually open up the task manager. Next one, Ctrl plus U. This one will open up the update settings. Next one, Ctrl plus V. This one will actually paste the item. Next one, Ctrl plus W. If you are inside a browser, you can press Ctrl plus W to close the active tab. Next one, Ctrl plus X. This one will actually cut the item. Next one, Ctrl plus Y. This one will undo the last action. Next one, Ctrl plus Z. This one will undo the last action. Now, let's talk about the Shift shortcut. So first one, Shift plus Delete. This one will actually delete the item without sending it to the recycle bin. Next one, Shift plus F6. If you are inside a browser, you can press Shift plus F6 to switch between the tabs. Next one, Shift plus left arrow, Shift plus right arrow. If you are inside a form or a text box, you can just press Shift plus left arrow to select the word or Shift plus right arrow to select the word. Next one, Shift plus home. This will actually take you to the first item in the list. Next one, Shift plus end. This will actually take you to the last item in the list. Next one, Shift plus up arrow. Next one, Shift plus down arrow. If you want to learn more shortcuts, you can just comment down below. I will make a part 2. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Thank you very much.